Hey Karen, I don't know what to make today. I got so many cocktails, I don't know what to make.
Well, I don't know what to tell you. Just go sit down, think about it, think about some of your favorite ingredients and what you'd like. That's it.
That's all?
That's it. And
You
I'll
think it's
leave
that
it.
easy?
Yeah.
I
And
got over 100 cocktails made already. I can't think I'm running out of cocktails.
how can you run out of cocktails with 100? Give me a break.
Why, there's more than 100?
I believe there are.
I'm already at 130 something, I think.
Are you? Well,
Maybe-
I am too with my videos, so,
Oh, okay.
so what can you do?
Okay, I'm gonna go figure it out.
I'll leave you alone. Go figure it out.
Oh, man, this is getting so hard. What am I gonna do? I don't know what to do. Frangelico. I'll use Frangelico. And I'll throw some vodka in there. And some Chambord. Oh, Vanilla Vodka. That's the way to go. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I hope it works. Hey, Karen.
What?
I think I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a drink. I gotta think of a name. I'll give the name on screen because I'm gonna think. I don't know what to do.
Okay.
Now, what about this T-shirt? Should I change it?
No, I like it.
Do you like it?
I
You
like
sure?
it. I'm
Okay,
sure.
I just gotta get my hat and I'm ready to go.
All right, let's
Okay.
go.
Hello. I'm Cocktail Tony, in case you guys didn't know it. And I'm gonna make another cocktail. And I'm so glad that all you guys are around. I need subscribers. I have 400, then I got 397. I got 400, then I got 398. Right now I'm sitting at 399. I can't get up to over 400. I get there and I go backwards. I can't believe it. Anyhow, I'm going to give a couple of shout outs. One to Bites in Time. They have a very good eating show and I like their videos. So you should get in there and subscribe to their channel. Subscribe to me too. And Livio at Master Your Glass. Livio, nice show with Charles today. Or was it yesterday? I don't know. I thought it was today. And my good friends out there that I only give a shout out to once in a while. I used to give it to them all the time. Cam and Teresa over there, Flour, Eggs, and Yeast. Just to say hi, guys. Anyhow, I'm going to make a drink, and I had a hard time thinking of what to make today. This one's called a Hazelnut Raspberry Vanilla Martini. And I'm going to use Frangelico, Vanilla Vodka, regular vodka, and Chambord. And I'm going to do a little bit of a cocktail here, so here we go. Are you ready?
Ready.
Oh, let's go. Karen's ready.
I'm ready to have a drink.
She's ready to have a drink. She's had a rough day today. She has to deal with me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a rough day. Half an ounce of vanilla vodka. If you pour a little over, that's okay, because I usually do. And half an ounce of Frangelico.
Ooh, I like Frangelico.
Oh yeah, a lot of people do like it. This is a double top bottle. You have two tops on the bottle. Can you top that?
No. Can you?
Yeah, I can.
Oh.
I can top that.
Oh, wow.
In case you wanted to know, this is gluten-free.
That's a good thing.
That's a good thing. And 2.5 ounces of vodka.
Ooh. Getting serious
Oh
now.
yeah. If you go to 3, that's okay, because I always do. Whoa, in the wrong
Ah,
cup.
the wrong one.
Yeah, you know.
Have you been drinking
No,
already?
it's all your fault.
My
I
fault.
poured it in the wrong cup.
Oh, sure. Blame me.
Karen's got a cherry over here already for me to have for garnish, because I never put enough garnish in the cocktail. And here's my martini glass, and here we go. This is a new one. I just thought of this. It took me all day. Well, shit, that's a half a glass.
Yeah.
It's just not big enough. There you go. Let me taste this puppy. Whoa. Whoa, that's really different. Ah, very good, very good. Try it, you'll like it. Cocktail Tony, over and out.